Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone. Today in this video we're going to work on this. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. What does it mean? Well, you might have the experience. You are around somebody, someone is living with you, or somebody is in your apartment, or you are in a neighborhood, and then you move away, or those people move away, or I don't know, something like this. But you realize you miss them. You miss that neighborhood. You miss those people. You miss that roommate. You might think, I didn't like that person that much to miss him, but now I miss him now that I don't see that person. You see the person every day, and you've got used to seeing that person over there in your workplace or on your way home or something like this. You see somebody on your way every day, and you might not even talk to that person, but when the person is not there, you miss that person. You feel, oh, where is he? Can I see him again, or something like this? Okay, so that's then when we say absence makes the heart grow fond. Yeah, when the person is there, we're okay. We talk to them or not, or see them, we get used to them, and we do not feel that, oh, we love them or something. No, we do not really feel that way. But when that person is not there, his absence or their absence makes us feel we're fond of them. Okay, so when we say makes the heart grow fonder, means we miss them, we like them, we want to see them, and we feel more dragged to them. Okay, so it's not only your roommate or someone that you see on your way. It might be your husband or your wife, or it can be your boyfriend or your ex. Okay, so it can be your family member as well. Yeah, but when they're not there, you love them more than the time that they are with you. Okay, so that's when we use this. Now let's check the examples. Ever since Carla's husband has moved away, she can't stop thinking about him. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. So Carla's husband has moved away. What does ever since means? Means after that, up to this point. Ever since. Ever since means there's a date of this move. Okay, there's a date for this. Since then, up to now, Carla can't stop thinking about him. Okay, so ever since means from that date up to now. And what is that date? From the date that he has moved away. What happened? She can't stop thinking of him. Okay, about him. So this is what has happened. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. Now, Carla, the husband's absence has made Carla's heart grow fonder. Okay, she now misses him. She likes him or loves him more than he used to do. She used to do. Okay. When Daniel goes home, Margaret makes him mad. That's why he doesn't take days off. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. Okay. When Daniel, the guy, goes home, Margaret, the girl, makes him mad. Okay, so they argue, they have quarrels, they have arguments, these kind of things. So, because of that, he doesn't take days off. He doesn't go home. He stays at work. Maybe he's in a different city than his own city. So that's why he doesn't go back home. Because absence makes the heart grow fonder. Because when he's not there, Daniel's absence makes Margaret's heart grow fonder. So Margaret then is kind on the phone, maybe, or something, when they are contacting each other, or when they see each other after a period of time, then Margaret would not make him mad. So absence makes the heart grow fonder. Because of this fact, let's say, Daniel doesn't go home that much. Okay, so this is used over here in these cases. What do you use in these cases when you want to mention these in your language? What do you say? Would you please comment it below this video? That would be great. Alright, this was today's lesson. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.